La-dee-dee-da-dee-da-dum. La-dee-dee-da-dee-da-dum. The hand that wrote this letter sweeps the pillow clean. Okay, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. Today's story is the story of a little red and white bear named Little Cutie. And this is a teddy bear's vision quest. Back in the days of the grandfathers, once upon a time, on a reservation in northern Minnesota, there lived a little girl named Aubrey. And Aubrey lived in a house with her family and a little stuffed red and white bear that she named Little Cutie. And things were great. You know, Little Cutie and Aubrey were inseparable best friends. They would spend long afternoons playing together, playing stuffed animal parade, going out into the woods, and, just playing. But lately, Little Cutie had noticed that Aubrey was starting to get new interests. She was spending less time with him. She was spending more time listening to music and singing to her reflection in the mirror, drawing cartoons on the table, you know. And then one day, he hears the grown-up. He hears the big dad say, "Isn't Aubrey getting a little old for stuffed animals?" Oh, Little Cutie's heart just broke. And he goes, "Yeah, she probably is." So he decided it was time to move out. So he goes out to the window and he raises up the window and takes one long last look at the house and the only home he had ever known. And he crawled outside. And who's out there? OJIBWE, the squirrel. And OJIBWE goes, "Oh, Little Cutie, how you doing? What's up?" And Little Cutie goes, "I don't know, I'm having a bad day. I think it's time I leave the house and go live on my own." And OJIBWE says, "Oh, now there's an idea. I'll tell you the truth, Little Cutie. I never understood how you could live with them humans in the first place. I don't let them within 20 feet of me." And Little Cutie goes, "Oh, it's not really like that. I like living with the humans. It's just Aubrey's getting too old for me. And so I think it's time I go. But I don't know where to go." And OJIBWE says, "Well, you know what you should do? You should go on a vision quest. And, before you make any big decisions about your life." Little Cutie says, "What's a vision quest?" OJIBWE says, "Oh, I don't really know. But you know who does know? Megazee, the eagle. You see, the eagle is the most traditional and wise of all the animals." So Little Cutie's like, "Oh, okay, I'll go find him." And he starts off for the woods. But before he gets there, he hears this screeching from the chicken coop. And it's like, "Baka! Baka!" Oh, Baka Akwe, the chicken. Baka Akwe. And he runs over there, and who's there? Wagosh, the fox. He had just tunneled out of the chicken coop. He was trying to get some eggs. And Baka Akwe was like, "You stay away from my chickens. You stay away from my eggs, Wagosh. Next time you come here, you'll be leaving with a black eye." And Wagosh is like, "Oh, I'm so scared. Do you really think I'm too chicken not to try again tomorrow?" No, Baka Akwe gets just mad. And Wagosh sees Little Cutie there, and he's like, "Oh, let's get out of here, Little Cutie. I think I went too far with that last one." And so off they go. Little Cutie and Wagosh, the fox. And Wagosh says, "Hey, Little Cutie, what are you doing out here in the woods? Where's Aubrey?" And just the sound of her name made Little Cutie kind of sad. He goes, "Well, I'm on my way to go see the great Migazi, the eagle. I need to go on a vision quest. And because Aubrey's outgrown me, and I'm going to have to go, live on my own." And Wagosh goes, "Live on your own? Why don't you go live with the bears? I mean, you are one, aren't you?" And Little Kitty goes, "What, the real bears?" And he goes, "Yeah, man, you got to go down to the old res dump. Go live with the bears." And Little Kitty's like, "Oh, geez, I never really thought about that. Maybe I should." And Wagosh is like, why do you want to talk to Migazi anyway?" Little Kitty goes, "Well, I hear he's all traditional in that. He's wise." Wagosh is like, that Migazi, he's just an old blowhard. The real brains of that operation is Mamengwa, the butterfly. And goes, "Yeah, sure, Migazi he gets all the good press. He's on all the humans' money." And everyone's all impressed with him. But the brains of that operation is the butterfly. And Little Kitty is like, "Oh, wow, really? I just thought they were friends. I didn't know." Goes, "Yeah, man, you wanna go on a vision quest, you gotta talk to Mamengwa, the butterfly." And the little kid's, "Okay, well, where can I find them?" He goes, "Well, keep on going down this way, and you'll find them down by the lake." And off they go. And this is how the story Little Cutie begins, more or less. And it's a story that Michael Lyons wrote and illustrated. It's called Little Cutie, A Teddy Bear's Vision Quest. And I have the book here. Let's see if I can do this without dropping it. This is actually OJIBWE. If you like Michael's artwork, this is like half of it is just cartoons and Ojibwe phrases and, the days of the week and stuff like that. But then the last half is the Little Cutie story. You can also order Little Cutie by itself. But yeah, it's a really sweet story. And I was going to read the whole thing here, but I'm realizing it's getting kind of long. So let's just call this a commercial. Order Little Cutie, A Teddy Bear's Vision Quest on Amazon, or better yet, order OJIBWE by Michael Lyons. And you can do that by clicking the link. All right. I don't think we did an Ojibwe word, but there's a lot of Ojibwe words in this story. So with that, I'm just going to say, Miigwech Ganawabieg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture and book reviews by Michael Lyons, and only Michael Lyons. All right, I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Hawa.